Today we're going to go over 2 marking steps in the 12 count rhythm that form the basis of most marking steps in flamenco. So we're going to do a front marking step and a side marking step, all in the compás of 12, and that applies to alegrías, Soleá por Bulerías, guajiras, Soleá, etc., etc., etc. So let's begin. So first off, the compás of a 12 count. I have many tutorials if you need to slow it down and in my YouTube channel here, so you can look for that. But basically, the compás, like the 1 count, it starts on 12 and it ends on 10. What? So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it starts on 12 and it ends on 10. And of course, there's other times that it is counted, normally 1 through 12, but the majority of how it's counted is it starts on 12. Don't ask me why, it just is. So again, we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you end on 10, that would be like the dramatic stop. It stops on 10. But you always start back on 12. All right, so let's start with our first marking step. So we'll leave our hands on our hips just so you can start getting the feet. The first one is rather easy, and I'll show you facing forward and facing the mirror. So we have forward, together, and forward, together, and forward, together, forward, together. Now, a few things about that. When you're stepping forward, you want to make sure that you're slightly turned out, so you're not turning in, but not totally out, and that you have the heel slightly up. So it's not going to be flat-footed. It's not going to be flat-footed. You want to just have the heel slightly turned up, slightly up, and then you want to have those knees relaxed and relax those hips. All right, so again, you're going to go forward and switch, forward and switch. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So I'll slow that down, but first I'm going to go over that next marking step, the side marking. So the first one, it's kind of easy because it stays in threes, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next one actually uses those accents that we had of 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, okay? And so that is, we have and out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, and cross. And out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, and cross. So again, the counts for that would be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, so you're going out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, and crossed. So a few details on there. You want to make sure that you're not flat-footed, because then you look like Frankenstein, right? You want to keep those heels up slightly. I mean, you're not going on your tippy toes, but you're just kind of being loose, right? So you want to keep the heel up and slowly put it down, bum, and you want to relax the hips, keep the knees relaxed so you're not straight up. And then when you cross, you want to make sure that you are pivoting with that standing foot, because if you go bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, here, if you don't pivot, then you fall over. All right, so again, that is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that was our tutorial there. We're going to practice it with solo compás, which is just the drum machine. And we're going to practice those three elements super, super slow, and we'll bring up the tempo. So we have our palmas. We'll practice 4 compases. So that's 4 counts of 12 for each. So we have our palmas. We have our front marking. And then, without the arms, and then we have our side marking. Bam, ba-dum, ba-dum. Let's begin. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2. And you're listening for da-ga-dun, da-ga-dun, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Last one, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Front marking, forward and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and forward, side, forward. Switch, last one, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, cross, out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, cross, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's go a little faster. Here we go. Da-ga-dun, da-ga-dun, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front marking, forward, switch, relax the hips, belly button in, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one, forward, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-da-ga-da, and switch, and out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, cross, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A Ole, now let's even go faster. Takatan, takatan. Takatan, takatan. Here we go. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, and forward. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, 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 ba-da-ka-da, da-da, and 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to switch. 10 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and out, cross out, back forward, forward, cross, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole. Now we're going to speed it up at tempo with a guitar. So there you have the compás, 12-count compás, and we practiced at the end to the rhythm, to the palo of Soleá por Bulería, and we did 2 marking steps, forward and our side marking. If you want to continue dancing with me, of course I have more videos here on my YouTube channel, but if you want a structured and go beyond some very basics, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. We have courses for new beginners through advanced levels for technique, choreography, flamenco theory. It's a very vibrant community. We have monthly challenges, workouts, live practice sessions, live trainings. We have it all. It's a wonderful place to be, and you'll join thousands of other dancers who have learned flamenco with me worldwide. And you can check the link below in the description for your free 10-day trial. All right, until next time.